What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Turn to page 29, guys. 29. In my regular class, we're at fractions, so I could do some fractions. Who they here? You like TikTok? Top of the screen, top of the screen. Joke, yeah. Let's go, guys. A serious business this. All right, so it says evaluate showing all working. So we are gonna review it. Go in our comment section. Yo, the breeze are whistle out and do like storm, I don't know what is this on us. It's crazy. Guys, only 5 people like the video. Come on, guys. Exam we are prepared for now. The persons who have the book. Let's go. Guys, if you don't have the book yet, you really need the book doing it, man. You don't need shoot. No joke about it. Big up to all of the people who support me so far. And the 14 parishes. And guys, me soon forward the watch race. So if you let watch it, make your order, make your order. And teachers have everything on the need, we have everything on the need. We have the mock exam for the students, them test them skill. Be a brand new question. It should be questions, more than one. Alright. Big up my students, them. Great performance today in the mental ability. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so it said evaluate and you must show all the working. Let's see if these two tick. Alright, the first one says 2 and 4/9 minus 1 and 4/6. Basically, this can be reduced. So if we wish, we could reduce that. We could do it the hard way. So we're going to convert from mixed numbers to improper. The book also show that, guys. So what the book would have known. So it's 2 multiplied by 9 plus 3 minus 1 times 6 plus 4 over 6. So this is how we convert from mixed numbers to improper. So 2 times 9 is 18 plus 3, 21 over 9. And of course, 1 times 6 is 6 plus 4, 10 over 6. Now the LCM of 9 and 6, that's 18, right? That's the lowest number. Let me change it to black. I like black, So the LCM would have been 18. That's the lowest number that 6 and 9 can go into. If you don't know how to show it, to do it, guys, the book also show them because something like you just add, right? First number that comes in both, that's the LCM. Now 9 into 18 goes 2 times, so we multiply that by the numerator. And of course, 2 times 21 is 42. 6 into 18 goes 3 times. And multiply 3 times 10 to give us 30. So that's 12 over 18. And we can reduce this as well. No, this is 8. Or 18, yeah. All right, so we can reduce it by using dividing by 6. So this gives us 2/3. Why the space feels so small? Probably should measure all of the steps. I'm gonna make them widen this next time though. I don't like it. I know they request them for big it up and then barely big it up. Sure. Alright. Even if you don't have the book, guys, try number 2 and type in your answer. And you have 4 minutes to complete that. Maximum 4 minutes. Let's go. Those who have the book, thank you guys so much for the support. I really, 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 really appreciate it. That's why I'm there. I put in the work with you, guys. From morning, I teach 9 a.m. So straight to 6 o'clock. I'm there. I review book with cause guess what? I just want to just sell your book and leave you. We help you to understand what in the book. From 0 to A+. I'm going to the comment section and see what's the answer for number 2. Are you ready for PEP? School you pick. Can you get in the school of your choice? Alright, so 4.25. Jalen, what go on? Jayquan. Jayquan, you there for 6 o'clock class now. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Alright, so let's convert. But we're gonna do it this short way this time. So we don't show off with it, right? So 9 2s 18 and 1 19. We could have done this one the shorter way because if you subtract 9 from 4, 9 from 5, 5 from 9, you could get the 4. And then a half, take away quarter, could give you the quarter. So we could do this one the shortcut way for real. Sometimes, guys, when this one is larger than this one, it gives students a problem. But in this case, we could subtract 9, take away 5, which leaves 4. And if you have a half, and you subtract a quarter, you would get basically a quarter. So just like what Xavier said, this would be 4.25. By now, every student should be able to do like the basic addition, subtraction. The multiplication and division sometimes give a little problem. What about this one, guys? 7 1/3 minus 4 1/6. What's the answer to that one? Run my comment section again. One person answer that one, guys. Go on, Abigail. Abigail, pick up yourself. Jayquan, what you got for number 3? Go on, Jay, alright? Alright. Seven and 1/3 minus 4 1/6. What's the answer for that? Why is something a whistle so? Alright, 3 and 1/6. Alright, let's go. So we're gonna do that one here the long way. So I'm gonna convert. So we have 7 times 3, 21, plus 2, plus 1. 7 3 is 21, plus 1, 22 over 3. 4 6 is 24, plus 1, 25 over 6. What's the lowest number that 3 and 6 can go into without leaving a remainder? That would have been 6. 3 into 6 goes 2 times, so we multiply 2 times 22, which is 44, and 6 into itself 1 times. 1 times 25, 25. So we need 5 more to get to 30. And another 14. So that's what, 19? So 19 over 6. How many groups of 6 we can get out of 19? The book also show that, guys. The multiples. Alright, so we can see that it's 3 times. So we get 3 wholes and a remainder of 1. So it's 3 and 1 6. Guys, look like we're ready for the champion, it now looks so wagwan. And now it's starting, guys. I can't wait to just do exam. So you have to put in the work from early. That's why I'm there now, from early. When you closer to exam, guys, I got up on I demand. So I might not be able to come every single Sunday. So I could make use of the time. All right. So we have 6 and 3/4 plus 5 and 3/5. We could do this one. Just add the whole numbers. 6 plus 5 to give us 11. And then we add 3/4 plus 3/5. Julian Rochester, wagwan. Alright, so find our LCM of 5 and 4. Again, guys, we show them the thing here. A lot of person are assuming students know how to do these stuff. Sometimes they actually don't. So teachers, make sure to show all of the steps them. So the LCM is 20. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So we multiply 3 times 5, 15. 5 into 20, 4 times, and 3 fours, 12. So when we add this, we get 27 over 20. How many groups of 20 we can get out of it? 1 and 7 over 20. Remember, we add 11 up there. So when we add 11 and 1, our final answer would have been 12 and 7 over 20. So that's our answer. This 14, that can't work. All right. This actually makes sense. 4 over 3 minus 1 and 3 over 2. All right, so I could do the conversion. 4 3 is 12 plus 4 over 3. So 4 3 is 12, and that's 16 over 3. 1 2 2 plus 3, 5 over 2. All right, so we find our LCM, which is 6. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. 2 times, that gives us 32. 2 into 6, 3 times. So 5 3 is 15. And of course, 15 and 15 plus 2. So we have 17 over 6. Or we can get 2 and 5 over 6. You just need one single one, right? In order to get 18, a full. So that would be that. So page 39. It's our example, guys. So the thing is step by step. Get the book, alright? So you can go through all of them example there. Here, do the right thing now. Alright, we could go straight into the multiplication. Don't limit your child or your students, alright? So we have 5 and 3/7 multiplied by 6 and a quarter. And guys, one of the common error that students make, they will multiply 5 times 6 and then multiply 3/7 times a quarter. That cannot work. So let me just erase that, all right? What we have to do, oh, the people with the book, work it out first. Me not almost forgot. Work it out first, guys. Guys, look how much book myself. And me not see 1,000 people on the live. What's happening? Me not complain about the book still, though, guys. But more and see when you do, guys. More and see when, all right? Those who buy the book, we're a family. We're. And my objective is for all of you that bought the book to get highly proficient. That's my objective. So, more and see them. I probably should we just done class. But in my class alone, enough people buy the book, you know? Big up to the people who welcome in Manchester, Mobile, Ochi, your time next, you know. All right, let's go, let's go. So we have 5 and 3/7 times 6 1/4. So we're going to multiply, guys, this is very important. 5 times 7 and our remainder, our denominator rather, 7. 6 times 4 plus 1/4. All right, so 5 sevens, 35 plus the 3, 38/7 times 6 fours, 24 and 1, 25/4. Now the rule says we multiply numerator by numerator. Pick up to my students them. Them can share along this, guys. We not ask Christ. Alright. So guys, because of this space, I'm gonna multiply 38 by 25. So I just I gotta do it, but I don't want you guys to do it. All the persons who purchased the book recently, on Tuesday, I will send them off, alright? Tuesday. I cannot do it before Tuesday. I have an appointment tomorrow. So guys, this is 9:50 and 7 fours 28. Alright, so work down that, guys. Work down that. How many 28 you can get out of 9:50? Long division. Work it out the long division way. The book will show you how to do the long division. So some of these questions really gonna challenge you, guys. It's really gonna challenge you even more than the PEP exam. But guess what? It show you examples and stuff where you can follow. So you don't have to go to your parents and say, Mommy, how you do this? So the book will show you. All right, let's do this one. 2 and 1/3 multiplied by 2 and 1/4. What's the answer for that? Big up Marley, big up Marley. Get to meet Marley in real life. Big up yourself, Marley. All right, so I'm seeing 5 and 1/4. Amari says 5 and 1/4 as well. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see. So we do the conversion. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7/3. 2 4s 8, and 1 9/4. All right. So we can cancel if we wish. 3 into itself 1, 3 into 9 3 times. So 7 3s 21/4. And of course 4 into 21 goes 5 times. We got my students them. We got my students them. And thank you guys for buying the book, guys. I appreciate that so much. All right. Big up on yourself. All right. What did you guys got for number 3? 1 3/4 multiplied by 8.5. And right now, guys, February in, very short month, exam around the corner. All right. So I'll go on in the comment section. Number 3, guys. Number 3. What's the answer for number 3? Make sure it's on the share it on the status, What the prep students are struggle. If you don't put in the work, guys, you cannot get your school of choice, all right? Kemai Taylor, big up yourself. What a go on, you good? All right, number 3, fractions. Pet math workbook. Big up to my grade 4, them who buy it. You can go and work, guys. My grade 4s, you can go and work. You don't have to wait until grade 6, you're doing stuff. So I need to expose you to it already, all right? All right, let's go. So I'm seeing 29 3/4. All right, let's do the conversion. So 1 times 4 plus 3. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7/4. And then 8 times 2, 16 plus 1, 17/2. All right, we cannot cancel anything. So what we are going to do, multiply 17 by 7. I'm just going to do the shortcut. 7 7 49, so 4. Carry the 9 here, so 717 plus 4, 119. So 717, 7 plus 4, 11. And of course, 4 times 2 would give us 8. So the next step, we can convert it, guys. We're going to say how many groups of 8 we can get out of 119. All right, so 12, 13, 14. About 14, let me check something. 8 into this, a 1 time remainder 3. 8 4 is 32. 32 from 39, 7/8. All right, so 14 and 7/8. What about number 4? Okay, Xavier gone. So we have 5 and 2/5 times 6 and 1/3. Hold on, let me see the card. 401 there, guys. All right, guys, let's go through the solution. So we convert 5, 5, 25 plus 2, 27 over 5 times 6 3 is 18 and 1, 19 over 3. All right, so we can cancel. Look at it closely. Remember, when we canceling, top and denominator. We can cancel across, right? So we can cancel. Which number can go into which number here? Now, 3 can go into 27. So 3 into that. 9 times. And then we multiply across. So it would be 9 times 19. 9, 9, 81. 9 ones 9 plus 8, 17. And of course, remember we cancel this, so we have 1. How many groups of 17? How many groups of 5 we can get out of 17? So this would be 3 times 7 3s, 5 3s 15. Remainder 2, carry down over 20. Or 1 to make 21. And 5 into 21 goes 4 times 5 for 20. So we have a remainder of 1. So it's 34, remainder 1 and 5. Could we go over the next side, guys? Do those on your own. I'm gonna do this one and you do the other 5 out of your own book. If you don't have your book yet, guys, you need to get it. Parents, do the right thing now. Don't want the kids to be quarreling and so Sabine sell them out. Let's get the book from me. Let them can do them work. Alright, so we have 2 times 5, which is 10 plus 3, 13 over 5. 3, 2, 6, and 1, 7 over 2. Now the rule says numerator by numerator, so that should give you 7 3 is 21. And of course 5 2 is 10. How many groups of 10? We can get out of 91. 9 groups, remainder 1. So that's that. I could do couple division, guys. I don't know what you're waiting on to get the book, just do it, guys. Just do it. 5492161. So you have the notes there and tell the kids what to do. So you don't have to bother your parents while they are cooking and so on and so on. All right. So those are examples. I'll just ignore those. All right, we'll start off with the proper fractions. Who know how to do these? Who know how to do these? What does the rule says when we are dividing fractions by fractions? Come, brother. Do that one, guys. 1 and a quarter, not 1 and a quarter, a quarter divided by 3/5. All right, guys. So the rule says we keep the first fraction. That's why they said up there. Change the division to multiplication, but you have to reciprocate. And then you just apply the multiplication rule. 1 times 5 divided by 4 times 3. So 1 5 is 5 and 4 3 is 12. Could do a couple more, guys. I'll leave them for you, I'll leave them for you guys. Oh guys, the marathon is coming up. Somebody just text me about it. The marathon is coming up. Just do a little advertisement. It's February 18, 19, 20. Alright. You can only pay $3,000 for 3 days. Come and get some brand new questions, or if you want, you can pay $2,000 every day. So you just pay for the 3 days, locked in. We have limited space now though. Alright, so now we have a half. We change the division to multiplication and we have to reciprocate. So the rule says numerator by numerator. These are so nice, guys. 1 7. Why not 84? It's supposed to be 4. So 1 times 7 is 7 and 2 4 is 8. Alright, guys. So we have 5, 6. Change the division sign to multiplication and reciprocate. So now we have 5 times 4 and 6 times 3. So 5 4 is 20 and 6 3 is 18. This one is a little bit different. We can reduce it since both of them are divisible by 2. And we get 10 over 9. How many groups of 9 we can get out of 10? One group, remainder 1 over 9. What about this one, number 4? 5 over 4 divided by 7 over 10. What's the answer for that one? All right, so we have 5 over 4. Change the division to multiplication and reciprocate. So 7 over 10 becomes 10 over 7. All right, remember the rule. We can cancel, we could divide by 2. All right, guys, we're going to look for number 7. We left out number 6. So those who have the book, you can do it and send me this, all right? And this one as well. No, we're going to do that one here too. All right, so we have 2.5 divided by 3/4. So we have 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2 divided by 3/4. 2 2 is 4, and that 5 over 2 divided by 3/4. So the keep change flip applies to this now. So 5 over 2 times 4 over 3. And then we have 1, 2, 5 2 is 10 over 3, or 3 and 1/3. All right, guys. So this one is already in 6 over 5. We have to convert first. 188 plus 6, that's what? 14. 8 plus 6, 14 over 8. Then we apply the KCF according to my student, 6 over 5 times 8 over 14. And of course, we can divide by 2, 2 into 3, 6, 3 times, 2 into 14, 7 times. And then we have 3 times 8, 5 times 7. 3 8s, 24, 5 7, 35. That's our answer. Nice one, Mr. Benny. All right, I like that one. So we give you a variety, more proper, more proper. See how to convert from mix there. We need to small up this a bit so you guys can see. So we just follow the rule here, guys, and we're good, all right? Of course, just buy the book and go through the thing. Parents, do it with them, all right? So the notes there and everything. You guys will go through that. I'm not go through that examples as well. All right. Let's do a couple more now. All right, guys. I could do number 1 now. So we have 2 and 2/3 divided by 3.5. So we do our conversion. Remember, guys, we need to convert. All right. Let's go. So we have 2 times 3 plus 2. Okay, of course, same denominator, right? So division 3 times 2 plus 1 over 2. 2, 3, 6 plus 2, 8 over 3. Notice I keep my division just the same. I don't change nothing yet. 3, 2, 6, and that's 7 over 2. Now we can do the KCF. When we convert, so we have 8 over 3 times 2 over 7 because we reciprocate. Now 8 2s, 16, and 3 7, 21. Now this already in its lowest form. There's no number that can go into 16 and 21 without leaving a remainder. If you don't know, you can just list the factors them in, guys. What numbers can go in on 16? What numbers can go in on 21? You see it? Only one. And we can divide by one. Kind of make no sense. We get about the same answer. All right. And big up to all the students them who want to go to the top school. Education is important, although Jamaican really treat it like it is, But it is very important, guys. We can't tell you that. And the persons who purchased the book over the weekend, on Tuesday, I will send them off. I have a very important thing to attend to tomorrow. I don't think I will get the time, but I will send them off. If you're on the live and you want to do your thing, you can link me up, all right? All right, let's look at number 2. So we have 5 times 4 plus the 3 over 4 divided by 1 times 5 plus 2 over 5. Now 5 4 is 20 plus the 3, 23 over 4 divided by 155, and that's 7 over 5. For do our KCF thing now. So we have 23 over 4 times 5 over 7. All right. For the interest of space, we're just going to multiply across numerator by numerator. Parents, check if the students can do them something here. These are some basic stuff, that you should be able to do. So this will give us 115 and 4 sevens, 28. So how many groups of 28 we can get out of that? 28, 56, double 56, about 4 times. So let me see, about 4 times. Let me see, 4 is 32. 4 2 is 8, and 3 11. All right, so I'm right. So 4, and that would be 3 over 28. Think I saw somebody post that. Let me check, double check. And guys, send the book go the USA and Canada, anywhere you're there. As long as there's a post office, I will get it to you. No matter which country. Cayman, anywhere there. All right. Let's look at number 4. What's the answer for number 4? Yo, the storm will whistle out of the door. Oh, Xavier got it. Big up, Xavier. Yeah, Amari, I did see your answers. Great job, great job. Yeah, Amari, big up yourself. Big up yourself. When I come over here next time, talk to me. Talk to your teacher. All right, guys. So we have 4 times 10. That's 40 plus 7. That's 47 over 10. What's the answer for this? What's the answer for this? It's 3, 2, 6, and 1. 7 over 2. And of course, we just write back. And then we change. And we this. All right. How many groups of 2 we can get out of 10? To 5, right? So it's 47 over 5, 7, 35. How many groups of 35? 1, 5, and 7. That's what? 12. 35, yeah. Let's say for 47. 4 times 10, yeah. 47, 326,702. That's correct. 47 over 10, we reciprocate, so that goes 5 times, yeah. And this was what, 7, so 5, 7, 35, yeah. All right. So the remainder would have been 5 and 7, 12 over 35. How many persons got that? Those who don't get the book already, do you think you could have gotten all of them correct? Yay or nay? So which topic you want me, guys? Which topic you want me to go through next week, guys? All right. So we have 7 times 4 plus 1 over 4 divided by 4/5. So 7 4 is 28 and 1 29. This one look very nice. Times 5 over 4. So nice. So 4 4, the denominator would have been 16. And then 5 times 29. We need some space, guys. We need some space, man. Let us see shortcut, alright? Alright, too big. You know, see some people have phone, So 7 4 is 20, 7 4 is 28, and 1 29 over 4 divided by 4/5. So we write back 29 over 4 times 5 over 4. Yeah, this is better now. 5 9s, 45, and then 5 2s, 10, and that 14. So that's 145. How much 16 we can get out of this? 5, 16, and 80 plus that 96. That was 6, 7, 8. About 9 times, No, in the reach 9. Yeah, man, about 9 times. Alright, let me just check something. 145. Right. Yeah, man, about 9. So 9 times. Let me just try something. 9, 6, 54. 9 ones, 9, and that 14, 144. Yeah. So 9 times. If I want 144, that means the remainder 1 over 16. So guys, the rest is for you to do, alright? For the activity. Parents, do the right thing. Do the right thing. And guys, going on to ratio. Stuff next week, right? So guys, practice these on your own. Those who have the book, you can WhatsApp me and support, alright? I need to create a group with all who have the book, Because I'm gonna have some free classes with you guys and stuff when it come close to exam. I want everybody who have my book to get highly proficient. So guys, we're gonna end the live now, but big up to all who joined the live. Big up, thank you guys so much for purchasing my first ever book. Really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. I'm trying to come to Watchers, so that's order, guys. Me can forward. Order. Make me forward and thing, you know what I mean? And do the little meet and greet and something. All right, guys. So big up. It's my number 5492161.